Welcome to Zenith, where learning matters. In this session, we'll learn the modal verb. Modal verbs. A modal verb is a verb which expresses the willingness, possibility, capability, ability to do an action, compulsion, and obligation.
Vouloir, pouvoir, devoir. Vouloir,
This verb is used to express a wish, desire, or intention.
vouloir, je veux, tu veux, il, elle, voi, nous voulons, vous voulez, il, elle, veulent.
Example: vouloir plus infinitive form of verb, the non-conjugated form of verb.
Je veux parler français.
I want to speak French.
Pouvoir,
This verb is used to express the possibility or capability to do an action. In English, it can be translated as can to be able to.
pouvoir, je peux, tu peux, il, elle, peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il, elle, peuvent.
Pouvoir plus infinitive form of verb, the non-conjugated form of verb. Example:
Je peux parler français.
I can speak French.
Devoir,
This verb is used to express the necessity, compulsion, or obligation to do an action. In English, it can be translated as must, have to, should, ought to. It has one more meaning, which is to owe.
devoir, je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit. Nous devons, vous devez, il, elle doivent.
Devoir plus infinitive form of verb, the non-conjugated form of verb. Example:
Je dois parler français.
I must speak French. Here are some exercises to practice. For answers, refer to the description section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow us.